Including 2 local schools that have gone so high-tech, students here are actually working on a project with students in the state of Washington. News 2's Natasha Romaine reports.
At first glance, you may think that these students are in the middle of an important business meeting or perhaps even checking their stocks, but they're actually taking part in a pilot program called Educational Technology at Home, where they're using PDAs to teach students.
Teachers and students, so that they're exposed to this and that they learn. And what we really want to do is use technology as a fulcrum to actually modify how kids are learning and make sure that they are learning everything that they need to learn in the new environment, away from chalk and talk and to exposure to the electronic world in which they live.
6th graders at Wesleyan Academy and Moravian School are using Palm Pilots to work on a water project with students from Washington State who are researching different elements that can affect water.
Today the kids are using their palms, they're putting information online into their palms, their handheld computers, that they can take home and study, that they have learned or that they're learning about their projects.
The students say not only has their interest in technology grown through working on these projects, but they also now have a deeper understanding about what they're learning.
Well, it's really fun, and we've been working on the water cycle in our watershed, and we get to learn more about our water, how we deal with it and more. It's really fun.
The Palm Pilots are nice, and we could synchronize with the computers. I learned that pollution affects sea life, not only more than how I thought it would, but more.
School officials say rather than purchasing expensive computers, the Palm Pilots are an effective alternative. Natasha Romaine, News 2.
The program is being funded by the U.S. Department of Education. PDAs like Palm Pilots are being looked at by many schools as possible alternatives to expensive computer labs.